It's recording.
You better help me up.
I don't know who's gonna help you out because I'm the camera guy.
I don't do very good getting off of this thing.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Don't get off of
You're
here.
freaking lying. You're not gonna help me, you little bastard.
Wait for yourself to go down there. Do a pull up. And
I
then-
want off up here.
You can't.
Why?
You probably won't even make it back up here.
Oh my gosh. Jeez, Eldon. Well, now he's gonna smash into us.
Oh God! Get him! I can't. You're all the way over
I
there.
know.
Good luck.
You guys are mean. You're not helping or what?
No. Oh, the tree's about to break.
Yeah. Watch it just freaking slamming me around.
You're gonna get wet.
Oh shit.
His shorts are gonna get hung up on that thing.
Oh, jeez. You guys are not helping me.
Jump on it.
You got
Michael?
this.
Jump on what, you dirty bastard?
Look. Yeah. You gotta grab that knot.
Oh my nuts! Oh,
Here, throw that up here.
I scratched myself right in the crotch. It's not funny. That was great!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, honey, you're going to help me.
Gosh.
Yeah, Michael, I'm gonna.
That was fun.